Hello, world, and welcome to another episode of
Did You Know?
We love to talk about exciting subjects in science, medicine, robotics, astronomy, futuristic ideas, music, or anything interesting in the news. So let's get into it. Did you know in the news? An Obsidian Handaxe workshop from 1.2 million years ago discovered in Ethiopia. In Ethiopia's Awash Valley, the discovery marks the oldest known example of a napping workshop and the first one not in Europe. The team found a total of 578 hand axes, all but 3 made of obsidian, buried in a layer of sediment dating back to 1.2 billion years ago. A study of the axes show that they all have been crafted similarly, indicating the presence of an ancient napping workshop. The identity of the hominids who made the hand axes remain unknown. Let's move on to our next story. Human activity has degraded more than a third of the remaining Amazon rainforest by some form of disturbance. The findings, published in the journal Science, were the results of an international team of 35 scientists and researchers led by various institutions such as Brazil's University of Campinas, the Amazon Environmental Research Institute, the National Institute for Science Research, and UK's Lancaster University. The 4 key disturbances driving forest degradation are forest fire, edge effects, selective logging, and extreme drought. The authors of the paper assesses the degradation of the Amazon also has significant socio-economic impacts, which should be further investigated. The authors propose creating a monitoring system for the forest degradation, preventing the curbing illegal logging, and controlling the use of fire to address the issue. They suggest innovative strategies, such as concept of smart forests, which would use different types of technology and sensors to collect valuable data to improve the quality of the environment. Now on to our next story. James Webb Space Telescope uncovers building blocks of life in an icy molecular cloud. This week, NASA's James Webb Space Telescope unveiled yet another exciting discovery. The building blocks of life frozen deep within a cosmic cloud. An international team of astronomers utilized the telescope to analyze the composition of a cold, dark, molecular cloud 630 light years from Earth. Within a hazy cloud, they found an array of organic molecules in a frozen form, including carbonate sulfide, ammonia, methane, and methanol. These discoveries could give us clues as to where and how life forms beyond our solar system. The next story we have lined up: a new study finds 6 ways to slow memory decline and lower dementia risk. A new study conducted on over 29,000 older adults has found that following a healthy lifestyle may help to protect against memory decline and dementia. The lifestyle factors identified including eating a healthy, balanced diet, exercising the mind and body regularly, having regular contact with others, and not drinking or smoking. The study also found that even for those who are genetically more susceptible to memory decline, these healthy habits can have a beneficial effect. The results suggest that it may never be too late to improve your brain health and slow cognitive decline. Now on to our next story. What grip strength can tell you about how well you're aging? Grip strength is closely linked to mortality in people of all incomes and may be a better indicator of life expectancy than blood pressure. A recent study of 1,275 men and women found that those with relatives freebie hand grip strength had signs of accelerated aging of their DNA. Strength can be an indicator on how long we live and may be linked to our genetic age. Epigenetics, if I said that correctly, involve changes in the numbers and actions of certain molecules that attach to the outer surface of a gene and affect how and when that gene turns on. Epigenetic clocks use algorithms to assess biological age based on the various patterns of molecules on genes. Strength may be linked to our epigenetic age, for better and worse. Grip strength can be tested at the gym with a hand dynamometer and can be improved with any kind of resistance exercise. These are some very exciting, interesting topics here that is happening all around us. Let me know your opinion on these stories. Till next time, stay safe, and I'll talk to you soon.